Alright, today I'm going to show you how to download the Screencastify Chrome extension so that you can create screencasts similar to what I'm doing right now. So if you are in Chrome and you're signed in as yourself, and I'm actually signed in as in my personal account just because I've already installed it and it's all enabled on my domain district account, but it should work the same way. So in Chrome, you have this button here called Apps, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to any of the apps that you have installed and have enabled. Some happen automatically because we're in a domain. Some you can do in addition to, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. In the bottom right is a hyperlink to the Chrome Web Store. So you're going to go ahead and click onto that. And here in the upper left, you want to search the store for Screencastify. See it right there. So if you, since it's an extension, whenever you search, it always gives you the apps first and then the extensions down here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the extension to Chrome. All right, so it's going to give me a couple prompts that I need to do. So it's telling you that it is going to do a couple things, and you can go ahead and click Add when you're ready. The really great thing about Screencastify is that you can save it every time to Google Drive, which is really great. And then you know exactly where it's going to go all the time. So here's the setup page that you will also get. You can do a setup camera access if you're not sure if it's going to work or you just want to try it. So when you click on that, it's going to ask you, can we use your camera and microphone? So it is granted access. Now the next part is to choose where to store your recordings. I usually always save it to Google Drive just in case I'm not on my school device. If I'm at home or something like that, then I always have access to these videos that I've created. You do have to grant permission to Google Drive in order to do that. And what it's going to do is it's going to actually create, once you hit accept, it's going to create in your Google Drive a folder. And I'll show you what that looks like real quick so that you know. Sometimes we see these folders kind of pop up. We're not sure how they got there. And a lot of times it's because your like Google Classroom does one automatically, and there's some other tools like Screencastify that does that. So if I'm in my drive here, right up here is my Screencastify folder. So anything that I record is going to go right into that folder for me. All right, so when you click Get Started, you can kind of walk through that process, or in a few minutes So this is going to show you how to use Screencastify.